Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going drag racing. I haven't heard anything about the diff, and I'm just saying forget it. This is the last day I get to race this year, so we're gonna do it. And it's daylight. I like racing in the daylight. I'm very curious how the 391 gears are gonna work. I am gonna be a wuss. I'm gonna pussyfoot it off the line because I do not want to break the diff again or anything else, because again, drive home is the first priority. So you know, we'll see how we do. I'm hoping for a personal best, obviously, and good luck for me. Soft off the line, that's the goal. Anybody that's on my Instagram account will recognize this 68 Chevelle. This is the one with the 606 big block Chevy that makes 1,145 horsepower on the engine alone. So he's going to make some passes, which I'm hoping to catch on video here, because he's only going to be running off the motor. I'm curious what it'll do. So I'm going to try to feather it off the line with the clutch. Well, I did what I wanted to do. I slipped it. actually made any difference. Okay, let's see what we got. 1300. Oh, I'm so close to the 12s. Oh my god. New personal best, but man. And I'm finally under 2.0 on the 60 foot, so that's good, but so freaking close, man. Which means we gotta go again. We have to try to hit the 12. Well guys, that concludes our drag racing day. I would say it was semi-successful. We didn't break down. We can drive home, which is always priority number one. The last run, I missed second gear, which is probably my fault. And then when I went to put it in second gear, I went into fourth instead. But after that, the transmission felt a little clunky. So rather than risk anything, I'm just going to drive it around, take it home, and see how it feels to make sure everything is good. We did set a personal best. 13.00, which is somewhat frustrating because we're so close to the 12s. I am tempted to try and get it, but not going to happen today, which means we're going to have to wait till next year. Mile an hour, 106.33, a little down than what I was hoping. I was expecting 107 or higher, but which means the car is too heavy and it just doesn't make enough power, so we know what we got to do to make it faster. I guess now it's time to head home, so if you guys like the video, thumbs up, subscribe if you can, and thanks for watching.